Hello everyone, welcome to Differentiation lecture number 5. Let me share my screen, and in today's lecture we are going to solve questions. Okay, questions are going to be very simple. They are going to be mixed based on trigonometric functions, based on logarithmic functions, based on general formulas, and so on. Few of the questions we might have done, and it's easy. So I'm just giving you hint कि अगर नहीं पढ़ा है अभी तक, so please go back to bridge course lecture number 1, lecture number 2 of the topic, lecture number 3 also in fact, so that you all can attempt this questions. Okay. In the meanwhile, I'll just switch off my video so that you have a full screen view. So first question, the question says differentiate. I don't know किधर गया वो differentiate with respect to x. So this is going to be my question. थोड़ा x अच्छे से निकाल देता हूँ. Differentiate with respect to x. First question is y is equal to root sin x. So how we are going to start with the question? Here it is going to be dy by dx. First of all, first question है तो थोड़ा अच्छे से करके दिखाता हूँ. Later on you all can just write. So first of all you need to write differentiating with respect to x. ठीक है. Then here it would be dy by dx is equal to d by dx of your function given, that is root sin x. ठीक है. उसके बाद you can just differentiate it. So differentiation of root sin x. So basically इसमें दो चीज दिखेगा तुमको. First thing is एक तो root दिख रहा है तुमको, one is the root, and ये जो root x है ये x के बदले कुछ नहीं है but sin x है. So rather than given x, they have given the function sin x. तो पहला तो root x का differentiation, it is nothing but 1 upon 2 root x, and sin x का differentiation is nothing but cos x. So I hope तुमको थोड़ा तो idea आया रहेगा कि how we are going to proceed. ठीक है. So let me just go ahead. I don't know, load नहीं हो रहा है. ठीक है. So just solve it. तो पहला तो आ जाएगा रूट एक्स का डिफरेंशिएशन, तो 1 अपॉन 2 रूट एक्स. एक्स के बदले क्या दिया है, साइन दिया है, तो 1 अपॉन 2 रूट साइन एक्स. बट ये साइन एक्स को भी तो डिफरेंशिएट कर सकता है, तो इनटू डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ साइन एक्स. ठीक है. तो हियर इट्स गोइंग टू बी, इधर मुझे मिल जाएगा साइन एक्स का डिफरेंशिएशन कॉस एक्स अपॉन 2 रूट साइन एक्स. ठीक है. So did you all get the value of dy by dx? What is the value of dy by dx? It is cos x upon 2 root sin x. समझा? This is the way we are going to solve the question. Let's take one more question. क्या आएगा इधर? Y is equal to root cos root x. So you are differentiating with respect to x. ठीक है. अच्छा ये ऐसा भी पूछ सकते हैं, find dy by dx. It means one and the same. ठीक है. So don't get confused. Cos x मुझे दिया है, cos root x दिया है. ठीक है. So basically first of all here it will be dy by dx is equal to derivative of cos root x. So here it is going to be cos का डेरिवेटिव फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल निकालना पड़ेगा तुमको. ये देखो cos and x के बदले मुझे क्या दिया है, root x. So basically cos का डेरिवेटिव is minus sin, root x will remain as it is. Also I can differentiate root x, so I'm going to differentiate that as well. तो रूट एक्स का डेरिवेटिव क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस साइन रूट एक्स इंटू 1 अपॉन 2 रूट एक्स. ठीक है. So basically can I write it as this way, that minus sin root x upon 2 root x. Will it do? समझा? Is it easy? Yes, it is easy. ठीक है. So take it easy. Really understood how to go ahead with the question. Shall I take few more questions? Let's solve 2-3 questions तो और अच्छे से समझेगा. Let me do full screen and let's start with the third question. What is third question? It is you can take sine y is equal to sine x square plus y. So basically you need to differentiate this function. dy by dx find करना है, तो dy by dx is equal to d by dx of sine x square plus y. अब इधर मुझे x के बदले क्या दिया है, x square plus y. So what is derivative of sine? It is cos x. x के बदले मैं क्या लिखूंगा, x square plus y. But I can also differentiate this term. अच्छे से नहीं दिख रहा तो let me write it neat. ठीक है. So but ये भी part differentiate करना भूलना नहीं. So into d by dx of x square plus y. So here it is going to be cos x square plus y into what is differentiation of x square plus y. So it is nothing but एक constant का differentiation, y का differentiation, constant का differentiation तो 1 हो जाएगा. ठीक है. x square. X square is nothing but it is x raised to n, which is equal to nx raised to n minus 1. So basically here it's going to 2x raised to 1, which is equal to 2x. ठीक है. So ये आ जाएगा into 2x. So you can write it dy by dx is equal to 2x cos x square plus y. Is the question easy? You may think I'm going fast, a bit fast. I'm going. I agree to that, but it is necessary since it's a bridge course lecture and not the regular lecture. Okay. So let's go to solve few more questions. Give me a moment. We'll change color a bit. That red color is so heavy to digest. Let's go to question number 4. Thank God. Y is equal to, अभी दो trigonometry function भी आ सकते हैं, that is cos of sin x. In this case, what we are going to do, we are going to follow the same procedure, differentiating with respect to x. So I'm going to get dy by dx is equal to d by dx of cos sin x. Okay, so here it's gonna be cos ka differentiation. So here it will be, I'm writing here. Okay, I'm continuing here. So here I'm going to get cos का डिफरेंशिएशन इज माइनस साइन एक्स. एक्स के बदले मुझे क्या दिया है, साइन एक्स. ठीक है. तो माइनस साइन ऑफ साइन एक्स इंटू डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ साइन एक्स. तो हियर इट्स गोइंग टू बी और कुछ कर सकते हैं. हाँ, इसको cos x आ जाएगा इसका डिफरेंशिएशन. तो इट्स गोइंग टू बी माइनस साइन ऑफ साइन एक्स cos x. ठीक है. समझा? पक्का? तो माय dy by dx is going to be माइनस साइन ऑफ साइन एक्स कॉस एक्स. ठीक है. अभी धीरे धीरे क्वेश्चन देख के भी समझ में आ जाएगा तुमको हाउ वी आर सॉल्विंग दिस. ठीक है. सो एल्गोरिदम इज वेरी इजी प्रोवाइडेड यू पे अटेंशन. नेक्स्ट ले लेते हैं y इज इक्वल टू साइन ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी. so this is basically my x term. ठीक है. So that's for your knowledge. Now differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to d by dx of sin ax square plus bx plus c. आप लोगों को मेरा हैंड राइटिंग नहीं समझ रहा है तो प्लीज डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. आई विल ट्राई टू इम्प्रूव. बट कैसा है, द वे वी स्पीक simultaneously we should write also so that it gives a proper impact while teaching. That's the reason handwriting is bit shabby. So dy by dx, what is derivative of sine? It is cos x के बदले मुझे क्या दिया है, ax square plus bx plus c. ठीक है. Basically this is the general form of quadratic equation into d by dx of, even you can differentiate this as well. ठीक है. Then dy by dx is equal to इसका डिफरेंशिएशन, ये ए एक्स स्क्वायर है. ठीक है. तो हियर इट इज गोइंग टू बी बेसिकली एक्स रेज टू एन का फॉर्मूला. तो it will be 2ax raised to 1. ठीक है, प्लस x वेरिएबल वो 1 हो जाएगा एंड कांस्टेंट का डिफरेंशिएशन 0. So here it's going to be cos, am I right? ठीक है चलो, ठीक है चलो, cos ax square plus bx plus c into 2ax plus b into 1 is b and constant का differentiation 0. So dy by dx is going to be, इसको हम लोग ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं 2ax plus b and here it would be cos ax square plus bx plus c. ठीक है, hope the questions you are getting it easy. Let's check sixth question. See, if I'm going fast, you all can just pause the video and you can have a look at what I am doing. Yeah, let's go ahead with the next question. That is question number 6. Y is equal to sec of tan root x. So dy by dx is going to be d by dx of sec tan root x. Okay. So here it's going to be, first of all, go step by step. Differentiation of sec x. Sec x का differentiation is nothing but sec x. देखो, sec x का differentiation is nothing but sec x into tan x. X के बदले मुझे दिया है tan root x. So here it is going to be sec x, that is sec into tan root x into tan of tan root x. ठीक है. Again, don't forget to differentiate that tan root x. ठीक है. उसके बाद root x भी differentiate हो सकता है. But let's go step by step. So here I'm going to get, इसमें तो कुछ change नहीं हो पाएगा, sec tan root x into tan of tan root x into, what is differentiation of tan x? Tan x is nothing but 6 square x. Okay, so tan x is nothing but 6 square x. So इधर क्या आ जाएगा मुझे, sec square root x. Don't forget this root, huh? Sec square root x into differentiation of root x. So here it's going to be sec of tan root x into tan of tan root x into sec square root x, इसको भी ब्रैकेट में रखो, and differentiation of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. I hope I am very clear till here. We are just doing differentiation and we are rearranging the terms and writing our final answer. It's very easy. We all are solving trigonometric functions only till now. So ये मेरा हो जाएगा sec of tan root x into tan of tan root x into sec square root x into 1 half upon 2 root x. So can I write that whole upon 2 root x? ठीक है. So this is my final answer. So my dy by dx is this. Now talking about if the same question comes for MCQ, what we are going to do. MCQ के लिए इतना solve करोगे तो हो गया कल्याण. So you can do one thing. Just check how many functions are there to differentiate. एक sec को differentiate करना है, एक tan को differentiate करना है, and एक root x को differentiate करना है. Isn't it? Write the differentiation separately. Check the operation between them and merge them. You will get the right answer. Okay. In all case, it won't be applicable. Mind it. When there is a simple linear trigonometric function, तभी काम आएगा. Otherwise, we are having chain rule for the same. You can directly apply chain rule also. So we'll discuss chain rule as well. Okay. Let's go to question number 7. I hope we are having time. So question number 7 is nothing but y is equal to sine of cos of tan x. Now people are nearly dead here, isn't it? So just pay attention. It's very simple. You need to write it step by step, and you need to go on differentiating. So what I'm going to get, dy by dx is equal to cos of, uh, you can first of all write differentiation of sine of tan x. ठीक है? Then you can go first of all sine का differentiation, that is nothing but cos. So cos tan x. Okay. Then you can differentiate next part. That is going to be this part. So here it is going to be differentiation of cos of tan x. Then you can always solve for this first of all. So here it is going to be cos of tan x into what is differentiation of cos x? It is nothing but minus sine of tan x. ठीक है? अच्छा, you don't forget this tan x. ये step में अपने को इसको भी differentiate करना पड़ेगा. तो differentiation of tan x. So here it is going to be, this remains as it is, into this also remains as it is. ठीक है? Into what is differentiation of tan x? It is going to be sec square x. So finally today I am able to use this one note very easy. Yesterday there was some issue with the driver as well, so never mind. So here आ जाएगा cos of tan x into, if you want, so sorry, the differentiation sign नहीं है. Even I am thinking what I am doing. Sec square x. Okay. So you can do one thing. You can take the minus sign outside first of all. Okay. So it would be minus cos of cos tan x into sine of tan x into sec square x. Now take this sec square at the first side, so minus sec square x into cos of tan x into sine of tan x. So you can terminate your answer here if you want. So this is going to be my dy by dx. So either you can terminate at this step, ये step पे भी terminate कर सकते हो. It's looking so weird. You can terminate your answers over here, or you can terminate your answer here also. I don't mind, because next thing is we are doing only rearrangement. So even this step is fine if you want to terminate. But in MCQ this three options, मतलब ये तीनों way में possible दे सकते हो options. ठीक है? So it's already 20 minutes, and if I exceed more than 30 minutes, then my technical team is definitely going to throw me. So let's discuss more to question, and we will wind up for today. So can we take few example based on roots? It's going to be more interesting, isn't it? So question number 8, that is y is equal to, we did a sum based on ax square plus bx plus c. So let me take a question based on root, that is y is equal to root of tan root x. So this is a very interesting question if you are very keen towards solving this. Okay, so dy by dx is equal to d by dx of tan root x. Is it right? Now it is right. Okay, root of tan root x. So let's go down a bit. Thank God. Where is the question gone? Okay. So what can we do is dy by dx तो ऐसे ही रहेगा. What is root of tan? मतलब root of tan root x. So here it is 1 upon 2 root x के बदले क्या है मेरे पास tan of root x into, don't forget to differentiate tan root x. तो उधर मुझे क्या मिल जाएगा 1 upon 2 root of tan root x, okay, into sec square root x into differentiation of root x. I told don't forget that root x, okay, that is a very integral part of your question. So here it is going to be uh, what can we do now? Here it would be sec square रूट एक्स को इधर ले लो ऊपर, नीचे आएगा 2 रूट ऑफ tan root x into 1 upon 2 root x, okay. Then therefore here I would say तुम लोग इसको ऐसा भी लिख सकते हो dy by dx is going to be 6 square root x, ठीक है, upon 2 into 2 4 under root of tan root x. You can terminate your answer here as well. ठीक है, never mind. Shall I take one last question and we will wind up? Okay. Come on, good part. Chalo. Thank you. Let's go for question number 9 then. Let's go for your question number 9. क्या बोला है मुझे question 9 में? Y is equal to sin x square plus x plus phi differentiating with respect to x. So d by dx of sin x square plus x plus phi. Okay. So here it is going to be what? Sin का derivative is cos x square plus x plus phi ही लिखेंगे हम लोग x की जगह पे into we are going to differentiate this x as well. ठीक है, never forget this. There is going to be x square plus x plus phi. ऐसा एक type का sum I did in the lecture but I don't recollect now. So it's going to be cos of x square plus x plus phi into differentiation. Here it's going to be, now I'm writing directly 2x plus 1. So here it is going to be 2x plus 1 into cos x square plus x plus phi dy by dx. Understood? So let me give you a few assignment questions as well. I hope this many questions are enough. Enough मतलब clear है, ये 9 questions में मैंने nearly सारा type ले लिया है. If I think there is few more lectures needed, so don't worry, I will record it. But as of now, from my side, the bridge course for differentiation is over. If you all want, I will give you few assignment questions. You can surely practice it, and you can mail me the PDF if you want that to get corrected. Okay? So let me just give you a few questions for practice, and you can come up with that later on. So y is equal to sine y is equal to sine 2 upon pi log x. This you can practice. It's a simple question. Here you can practice y is equal to tan square log x cube. ठीक है, और never mind this question है और easy. दिख रहा है tough but है easy. ठीक है. So these two questions you can take for practice, and if you want more, you can again mail me for the same. And if you want, do comment करना comment section में comment करना कि you want notes, because I won't understand कि you all want notes or not. If you all want, I am surely here to provide you all. So never mind. And there are few things remaining from the topic, that are good things are remaining. मतलब अच्छा topic interesting है. That is one is so chain rule, and one of the favorite topic of mine, because majority of the MCQs, I don't know, it's not going now, and suddenly the system has stopped. Give me a moment. Huh. So here it is. Let's go to the draw part. Allow me to take a pen. Okay, I hope it's visible. So there are two topics remaining. That is chain rule. Then there is one more topic known as double differentiation. Okay, so these two topics are remaining, out of which this topic is very, very important for your MCQ questions or entrance exam basis. Okay, this majority of the questions are targeted from your double chain rule only. So I may require more one or two lectures, but that I won't record now and upload. I will record as and when I get time, since I need to start with the regular curriculum of 10th standard as well. Okay. So stay tuned for the lectures, and I will shortly record. Bridge courses won't end here. There are various topics. We are planning to launch one more bridge course ka series known as Infinite series, where we are going to cover integration and limits ka course or part. Okay. And that's all from my side for today. Thank you everyone. Bye bye. Have a good day.